Welcome back to Cali Bro J. Today, guys, I will be juicing green apples and ginger. It's summertime. I got a lot of travels coming up. I'm really trying to maintain, trying to stay healthy. I've been doing my exercise. I kind of fell off from about 3 days a week to about 1 to 2 days a week. So now I'm trying to kick it back into high gear, trying to boost up my metabolism. This juice is gonna help me to do that, and which is green apples and ginger. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the like, share, subscribe button. Your Cali Bro J, each one teach one, and I will see you on the next video. Peace. All right, guys, there you have it. Green apple and ginger. Absolute fire. Your Cali Bro J, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.